Constitutions are the main legal instrument that provide a framework for the system of government, and they're extremely important for that reason. The Constitution Transformation Network, which is based in the law school, is a group of colleagues who collectively know a lot about how constitutions are made and how they operate around the world, and we're very anxious to share that knowledge to the extent that it's useful to others. So what we're doing in the course of this week is bringing to Melbourne 8 amazing women from 4 ASEAN countries to talk about constitution building in their own countries, to draw on our knowledge and hopefully to let us draw on the insights that they have.
For me as a researcher, it's interesting to see the trajectories of different individuals in the room, and their common goal in ensuring democracy and good governance in their countries. It's been fascinating. We have a young politician, senior politician, human rights lawyer and activist.
Actually, I don't have any law background, so it's very interesting for Melbourne Law School to invite me, but I think throughout this process, I have learned a lot about constitutional building process and the judicial system, and I think I now understand how important law and constitution as the basis of democracy.
I learned so much from my colleagues from Philippines, Indonesia and Thailand, and it's so much inspired for me.
I learned more about public participation and its roles in the constitution building, and that will be very useful for any upcoming constitutional reform in Thailand. I was very excited to visit the courts, meeting with the Attorney General, meeting with the member of the Parliament of Victoria.
I was very much impressed by the way they keep rule of law and how they maintain judicial independence with the system of check and balance.
What I love the most from this program is how many women, including the Attorney General, the Solicitor General, and members of Parliament who have the character to actually fight for the law and fight for democracy. And I think as a young woman and as a politician, it really motivates me to actually be like them. We cannot represent women's interests if we do not have women sitting and debating about Constitution itself.
I really want to improve meaningful women participation not only in constitution building process, but also in nation building process. I think constitutional building is not writing a paper, it is putting it into action.